guys, it's me, the burping queen, and guess what? I'm going to do a challenge. Not make a challenge, do a challenge. My coach recommended this, and I'm really psyched to do it. That's why I'm so pumped. Now, you see the challenge is to drink an entire can of soda and hold another burps, and when you're done with drinking it, then you can let out all your burps. So, yeah, here we go. I have my favorite soda, and guess what it is? RC. Thumbs up if you love it. Okay, here we go. The best thing I'm going to do is just chug it. Either that or just shit it. Nah, shitting is bad. It's just opened, and yes, this is hate, this is love. Just splattered me. Brand new, ice cold. A little hard. Okay, burp coming. Can't hold it. Sorry. Yeah, I failed. Crap. Wow, that's what happens when you chug soda. I guess this. Well, I might as well give you the rest of the can. Here we go. God, this is gonna go on for hours. And I'm gonna have hiccups. Well, anyway, if you have a webcam, take this challenge. Annie, stop it. Sorry, this is my dog. She just keeps on messing with me. Oh God, I'm gonna be wired. Well, enjoy. Do this challenge. Annie, stop it. Someone introduced to the public, my dog Annie. She's a little girl. Come on, Mama. Shout out to my sister Bella, lovely girl, and my boyfriend. I don't think I should say your name. Love you, hon. Bye.